In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a meeting in Outlook for Office 365. To get started, let's head over to the Microsoft Outlook page. Once you're there, you'll notice a Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. On the Sign In page, you will need to enter your login details. Carefully type in your email address and password, then click Next. As you arrive at your Outlook dashboard, you'll see various options displayed on your screen. To find the calendar, look towards the top left corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the calendar icon. Clicking on this will navigate you to your scheduling hub, where all the organizing magic happens. Now, there are actually two paths you can take when you want to schedule a meeting in Outlook. First, you could choose New Event, which is our go-to method for this tutorial. Alternatively, you could simply click on a random date in the calendar grid to begin scheduling there. Just remember, today we're focusing on using the New Event route. Clicking New Event opens up your meeting creation page. Here, you'll want to input a title for your meeting. Choose something clear and informative, as attendees will see this when they receive the invitation. Next, you'll need to invite attendees to the meeting. Start typing their names or email addresses, and Outlook should help you with the rest through its autofill feature. It's a real-time saver. Remember to ensure you invite everyone who needs to be there for the discussion. Now, it's time to set the date and time. Consider your attendees' time zones if they aren't local. This consideration can help avoid confusion and ensure everyone is on the same page. If it's an in-person meeting, add the location. You can type the physical address or use a pre-configured location in Outlook if it's somewhere you frequently visit. Once you've filled in these details, move on to the description section. In the description box, provide any necessary details your attendees will need to prepare. This could be an agenda, key points to discuss, or items to bring with them. Clarity in what you write here will help ensure your meeting is productive and runs smoothly. Before you finalize and send the invite, take a moment to double-check all the details you've entered. You want to be sure the date, time, and location are all accurate. Lastly, confirm that your event has been added to the calendar. It's always prudent to verify that everything appears correctly to avoid any last-minute surprises. And there you have it. You're now ready to send out that invitation and get your meeting underway. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tips and tricks for more helpful insights into Office 365.